Hello, my name is David from the Gabriella Kids First Data Resource Center, also known as the Kids First DRC. And in this video, we'll be exploring the Kids First Data Resource Portal and website. You'll learn more how to navigate these resources and discover more about portal features, how to create and manage your profile, and where to find online support and training resources. The Kids First DRC was created to help researchers uncover new insights into the underlying causes of pediatric cancer and congenital anomalies. The Kids First Data Resource Portal, which is supported by the National Institutes of Health Common Fund, allows researchers to access a large-scale database of clinical and genetic data from patients and families directly affected by childhood cancers and structural birth defects. We'll begin by exploring the Kids First DRC website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to kidsfirstdrc.org. Here you'll find information about diverse data sets available through the Kids First portal, an overview of the resources and tools available through the Kids First Data Resource Center. You can browse through available Kids First studies, as well as news stories and recent publications, and much more. Within the Resources menu, you'll find the Kids First DRC Help Center, which is home to guides, tutorials, and other information to help you use the Kids First portal. To access data, log into the Kids First portal by clicking the Portal Login button in the top right of the screen. If you don't have an account, it's easy to sign up by clicking the Sign Up button with any Google authenticated email address, ORC ID, or NIH Research Auth Service ID or ERA Commons. We recommend creating an account with an ERA Commons ID if you have one, as it will save a future authentication step down the road if you ever plan to work with controlled access level files. However, any of the three account options will allow you to log in, view all data in the Kids First portal, and work with the registration access level files today. We'll show you how to access controlled data sets in the second video of this series. After you log in successfully, you'll see the portal dashboard page. Here you'll be able to connect your account to authorized studies, Cavatica projects, and more. We'll talk more about how to connect these tools in video 3. You can customize your profile and account settings by clicking the drop-down menu in the top right. From the Resources drop-down menu, you'll find links to the Kids First DRC website and documentation in our Help Center if you have any further questions. To check out the DRC Help Center or reach out to a member of our support team, visit the link in the video description. Make sure to check out other user support videos on the Kids First DRC Support YouTube playlist. Thanks for watching.